Welcome to Tech News Today, a vodcast dedicated to bringing you all of the updates and announcements for your gadgets, gizmos, and how the rapidly changing landscape of discoveries will improve your daily life. Thanks for joining me. I'm Spike Spangle. If you ever thought about cutting the cord, and oh boy, have I been thinking about cutting the cord, now might be the time. That's because Verizon started rolling out its 5G network this week. It is super duper fast, and its home broadband service is available in 4 U.S. cities now: Houston, Indy, Los Angeles, and Sacramento. The service will provide typical network speeds of around 300 megabytes per second, with peak speeds reaching around 900 megabytes. One Verizon rep said it's a great opportunity for people to switch from their existing cable service to wireless. Now, even though the 5G technology is available in just a few cities right now, it should make its way to many more soon. See ya, cable costs. Okay, if you hate sitting in traffic, like everyone who knows me knows I do, you're going to love this. Google Maps is getting a new feature that could help you cut down on the amount of time it takes you to get back and forth to work. It's called the Commute tab, and it rolled out on Google Maps starting on Android and iOS devices this week. The feature is supposed to help you control your commute by providing live information on traffic to help you best manage all of your daily trips. It checks for accidents along your route and will give you alternate directions to avoid them. It's really helpful for people using a mix of driving and public transportation. Google Maps will now display data for each leg of your trip, including departure times for buses and for trains. That way, you know exactly when to leave the house so you don't miss the next train. Savvy New Yorkers have been using apps like these for years. In fact, I've got to go catch an F train down to Brooklyn. Well, that's our tech news teaser for today. For more in-depth reports and more stories, go to our daily tech news podcast or consumer tech updates, or go right to Komando on demand. And be sure to download our app so you can walk around with the Komando universe of news and updates right there in the palm of your hand. I'm Spike Spangle. I'll see you again tomorrow.